update on the station wagon here today. I'm actually working on it. I noticed that, well, actually over the while, this particular car, every time you'd apply the brakes at highway speeds, the car would shake violently and the steering would shake violently and the pedal would pulsate. This side of the rotor doesn't look too bad, but after further examining, I can feel, once I get this rotor off, I'll probably be able to show you, I can feel a big nick or a burr right in there. And this bearing here, this outboard bearing, has a lot of play in it. So, she's definitely due for service. So, take this off. I'll grab the inner one and the seal off in a minute. But yeah, that's all that I'm working on here today with the old girl, trying to get it all fixed up so that it doesn't vibrate like that anymore. It was driving me nuts for the longest time. Got new brake pads for it too. Sad part is there's a lot of material on those pads, but I'm not going to mate old pads to a new rotor, so I got new brake pads, of course. So yeah, just farting around here at the shop. Nothing much else to do. You know, actually, there's not even a seal back here. Where is there? Oh yeah, the seal is there. Okay, it's just really rusty here. But yeah, there's a big burr right here. There's actually a few chunks taken out of it along here. So yeah, this rotor is done. This rotor's absolutely no good. Not even worth machining something like that. They're just cheaper to replace them nowadays. But in any event, I'll just go ahead and pluck away at it here and have the bearing out of there. So yeah, like I say, not much going on. I gave it a wash job there a couple days ago. You swear it never happened. Now, of course, pollen season is upon us, so even more reason to buy an extra bottle of car wash. Remember, kids, every time you do a brake job, pump your brakes first. Ooh, right to the floor. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, lots of pressure. Sweet.